Good morning, kids. How are you? So, today is Saturday, and that is the day when we do an activity. So, any guess what is our activity? That is an activity related to COVID 19. I hope you are all are aware of COVID 19, that is coronavirus. Yes, of course, you are. But what is the activity we will be conducting? That is in the form of sentence rearranging. Remember that jumbled words. So first I'll be teaching you how to rearrange the sentences, what are the rules, and then I'll be giving you one activity based on COVID-19. I hope you will enjoy it. So here is it. Now you can see here one sentence is written that plan knows heed about nothing. So does it make any sense? So let's see what will be the sentence. He knows nothing about the plan, and then we have to insert full stops. Next is quietly the please close door. So it doesn't make any sense, so we have to write in a correct order. That will be please close the door quietly, and then there will be full stop. So as now this one you can see time some you do have. So you can imagine that this is a question, interrogative sentence. This is an interrogative sentence, that is, do you have some time, question mark. I hope you are understanding, because we have done earlier types of sentences. So here's the next is matter it comes he doesn't wear from. So here it will be started from it doesn't matter where he comes from. So this is a long sentence, you have to just rearrange the word at the right place. Now here you can see is gas 40 that she I. So no, what is the subject here? I guess that she is 40. So I'm going to tell you the rules, just watch it carefully. So here it is, that jumbled words, like while framing a sentence we need subject, helping verb, verb plus object, and then there will be a punctuation mark. Okay, so I'm going to tell you quickly how to frame a sentence. That is, this is a rule, subject verb agreement, we have studied earlier. So sentences, first of all, I'm going to tell you types of sentences. There are 5, but here first is declarative. That is a simple sentence, okay, the positive sentence. One is negative also, and I'll be writing here negative sentence, in which we use not, never. Then interrogative sentence. Interrogative means where we ask question. Okay, interrogative sentence means question, where there is a question. Now next is imperative sentence, and then there will be exclamatory sentence. Now I hope it has been revised as we have done earlier about these types of sentences. So rule is this: subject, helping verb plus object. Let's take an example of I have written over here some words. How many words are there? So how you have to rearrange the words, I am going to tell you some points. Please listen carefully. So first is, while you receive one sentence in a jumbled form, so what do you think first, that how many words are there? First of all, think about it. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 4 words are there. So first of all, we have to see here there is no subject, verb is there, and object is there, and this is your article. Now please of course we'll make it here. This is the imperative sentence. Please, it's a request. Please shut the door. So this is an imperative sentence. And at last there should be a full stop, punctuation mark. So don't forget to insert punctuation mark. It is very important. And then after making a sentence, you have to again count the words. Okay, let's take an example of this one, in which subject is there. Is Ram school going the to? So here, what is the subject? First of all, this sentence doesn't make any sense. So first of all, we'll find out the subject, that who is going to the school. So here the subject is Ram, doer Ram. Then again I'll focus on this rule. Subject we have written Ram, then helping verb, that will be, here it is written, this is the helping verb, is. Then we are having verb also. Ram is going to the school. Full stop. This is what we have made declarative sentence. But you can make interrogative sentence also with these helping verbs. How? Is Ram going to the school? Question mark. So both will be correct in that case. I hope it is you have understood how to make a sentence. So I'll be showing you some more examples. So here it is. Now you can see some more examples of sentence rearranging. Here, a mistake make don't. So we'll start from the verb here, that is don't make a mistake. Here helping verb is do, so it acts like a verb here. Did doctor what say that? Of course this is an interrogative sentence, so make it like what. WH family, what is the word of WH family? So what did the doctor say? Question mark. Interrogative sentence. Awkward she is. Okay, so now you can make it declarative. I hope you are making. Yes, she is awkward. Then full stop. When the question appears in jumbled form, so you have to think of the correct sentence, then check your answer simultaneously over here. Me lend car your please. I hope you have made, that is, please lend me your car. Full stop. Imperative sentence. So where the words are there of request like please and all that, you have to write it at first. I baseball the belong team too. So you have to count the words also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words are here. So you have to, when you will write the answer, so again you have to count the words that you have covered all or not. So here, address your what is. So it's in what is there. So what is your address? Question mark. So this is how you have to frame sentences, rearrange the sentences. Now this is the last one. I friend the must in hospital visit my. So what is the subject? I must visit my friend. Where? In the hospital. Full stop. So I hope you have cleared about it. So here it is, that your project, or you can say your activity on the picture given. So what do you think? Whose picture is this? This picture shows, yes, coronavirus. Okay, so that's a main problem nowadays. Okay, so we'll do one activity that will be on the awareness of the precautions to be taken in this coronavirus, COVID-19. So what are they? What will be the homework? That is, you have to arrange the words in a meaningful sentence. So this is your worksheet, that you can see that an activity on the awareness of COVID-19, and there are 5 sentences in jumbled form. You have to rearrange these words make complete sentence, meaningful sentence, and then you have to read it loudly in front of your family and make a video, and then that video you will send to me. I hope you will be able to do it. So first of all you have to write in a correct order, then send me the answers, and then make video and send to me or either your class teacher. Thank you students, have a nice day.